Could this be the end of Google search? You've probably spent your entire life relying on Google, but with new developments in the field of AI, we may be witnessing the end of an era. Before we dive into the topic, we kindly ask that you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Hello and welcome to this video on the future of Google in the world of ChatGPT-4 and artificial intelligence. In this video, we will discuss the erosion of Google's search dominance and how Google might evolve in the age of advanced language models. It all started in November 2022 when OpenAI launched the revolutionary chatbot called ChatGPT. In just 5 days after its release, 1 million users had already signed up for the ChatGPT. As you may know, Google has been one of the pioneers in the field of artificial intelligence. It has been using machine learning algorithms to improve its search results, language translation services, and image recognition capabilities. However, the emergence of advanced language models like ChatGPT-4 could pose a new challenge to Google's dominance in the market. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT-4 is its ability to generate human-like responses to natural language queries. This means that chatbots and virtual assistants powered by ChatGPT-4 could provide more personalized and engaging experiences to users, which could potentially reduce their reliance on traditional search engines like Google. To stay competitive, Google might need to invest more in developing its own advanced language models and AI algorithms. It could also integrate ChatGPT-4 into its own products and services, such as Google Assistant and Google Translate. One of the key advantages that Google has over OpenAI is its vast amount of data. Google has access to billions of web pages, videos, and other content that it can use to train its AI algorithms. By leveraging this data, Google can develop more accurate and sophisticated AI models that can compete with ChatGPT. Google can also collaborate with other companies, universities, and research institutions to develop new AI technologies. By pooling their resources and expertise, they can accelerate the pace of innovation and stay ahead of the competition. Another strategy that Google can use is to focus on ethical and transparent AI. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a risk that it could perpetuate biases and prejudices in society. Google can lead the way by developing algorithms and models that are transparent, ethical, and unbiased, and that reflect the diversity and complexity of human language and culture. In conclusion, the emergence of advanced language models like ChatGPT-4 and AI represents both a challenge and an opportunity for Google. To stay competitive, it will need to invest more in developing its own AI capabilities and integrating new technologies into its products and services. It will also need to address ethical concerns and ensure that its algorithms and models reflect the diversity and complexity of human language and culture. As consumers, we must take an active role in fact-checking and seeking out reliable sources to ensure accurate information. Share your thoughts in the comments section below and keep following us for more informative topics and ideas. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.